Euro against US dollar. This week has risen in value, and we can see the week started with a bullish candle here, forming a bullish breakout above this area of resistance and targeting the next resistance level, which is very close to this one here, but the price was reaching this one here. This bullish breakout was also shared, this one here, with the traders inside the premium analysis, where the target was right here, very close to this area of resistance where the price is currently, and the price has reached that price level the next day. And this was a successful premium analysis. The link will be below in the description if you would like to receive these updates during the week. After that, the price returned back down, testing the previous resistance, now acting as a support, and from there yesterday the price continued to rise in value. Currently we have a bullish week. We can see that on the weekly time frame because the complete week is a strong bullish candle, which is indicating further rise in value, a pretty strong bullish momentum. Monthly time frame shows us that we are currently in the bullish month. The previous week was not like that because the price was dropping down, but we can see the price is returning back up and it is trying to reach higher price levels. We have around 1 week until this month closes, so as it looks right now, it looks bullish, but we need to wait until this week, the next week closes, because we can see the scenario and also the current status on the market can change week by week. Weekly time frame shows me a bullish momentum trying to reach higher price levels, which means 1.14, so this is the target for the next week, and the daily is also targeting the same price level, so I'm open to see the price next week here at this resistance level, and from there we will see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. Will there be a bullish breakout trying to move higher even further, where 1.1478 is the next target, or the price will retrace back down, and then we will see how the price will behave. Now, 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame are the levels that I'm also watching during the week each day, and if there is a bullish breakout on the market, I share that with the traders inside the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, so you can also join if you would like to receive these updates. Now, inside the premium analysis, they get information when there is a bullish or bearish breakout and what is the target, so feel free to check that. For now, this is something that I'm expecting the price to rise in value, reaching an area of resistance 1.14, so this is the target for the next week. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.